guys, did you know that rats can laugh? My name is Amna and welcome back to I Bet You Didn't Know. Here are 10 facts I bet you didn't know about the markhor. Let's go! Markhors live in the mountainous regions of Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. It is the national animal of Pakistan. Markhors are considered endangered. There are only 2,500 left in the wild due to hunting and loss of habitat. The most notable feature of markhors are their spiraled horns. They use them to protect themselves against predators. Markhors are brilliant climbers. They can climb trees and dangerous cliffs in order to look for food and to escape predators. Markhors walk and climb on uneven surfaces. Therefore, they have wide hooves, which gives them better balance. Female markhors travel in herds of 8 to 10 members. However, males are more solitary and live alone. Markhors are herbivores, eating leaves, grass, fruits, and flowers. In the wild, a markhor has an average lifespan of 10 to 13 years. Not only can markhors climb trees, but they can also stand on their hind legs to reach food. Markhors spend most of their days feeding. They spend almost 12 to 14 hours on feeding alone. How many of these facts did you know? Is there anything you'd like to add? We would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for a bunch of new things I bet you didn't know. Bye!
There's always something new at Toffee TV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com